Did you know the average home contains over 60 toxic chemicals? What's scarier? You probably use the worst offenders every single day. I'm about to show you the 4 most dangerous products lurking in your home right now, and what to replace them with. Stay tuned because number 3 shocked even me. We think they're making our home smell fresh, but most conventional air fresheners are packed with phthalates and artificial fragrances that can trigger asthma, headaches, and even hormonal issues. The solution: switch to essential oil diffusers or make your own natural air freshener with baking soda and essential oils. Your lungs will thank you, and your home will still smell amazing. That convenient non-stick coating? It's made with PFAS chemicals that can leach into your food, especially when the pan is scratched or overheated. These forever chemicals have been linked to cancer and liver damage. The solution? Invest in cast iron or stainless steel cookware. Yes, there's a learning curve. These alternatives actually make your food taste better. This one floored me. Many all-purpose cleaners contain chemicals like ammonia and chlorine that can create toxic fumes when mixed. Plus, they're terrible for people with respiratory issues. Simple vinegar and water solution works for 90% of your cleaning needs. For tougher jobs, Castile soap is your best friend. Those convenient plastic containers, they're leaching BPA and other chemicals into your food, especially when heated or storing acidic foods. Even BPA-free alternatives often contain similar harmful chemicals. Switch to glass or stainless steel containers. They last longer, won't stain, and are completely food safe. Plus, they look way better in your fridge. Making these 4 simple swaps can dramatically reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals. Your body will thank you, and most of these alternatives will actually save you money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm show this important information to more people. Drop a comment below letting me know which toxic product surprised you the most. And hey, if you want more tips and tricks and health information, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.